Hey everyone, this is a tutorial how to make these awesome Valentine's Day Piñata cookies. Don't forget to subscribe and give a big thumbs up to this video because this video is awesome and I love these cookies. So let's get started. First, add some butter and vanilla into a bowl and mix it well. Add in the sugar and mix well. Add in the egg and mix well. Add in the cream of tartar and mix, and then add in the flour. And at this stage your mixer might not be able to mix it because it will be very stiff, so you might need to use your hands. And then after that you're going to put the dough in the fridge for about 2 hours, and then when you take it out you're going to place some flour on your surface and roll out the dough. Next you're going to cut out some heart shapes out of the cookie dough with a heart cookie cutter. And keep the excess dough to roll it out and use it again, and take the hearts and place them on a baking tray. After your hearts are all on the baking tray, you're going to take a smaller cookie cutter and you're going to cut out the middle of the hearts, and then you're going to take out the middle of the hearts and place them on a different baking tray so they can bake as well, so you can make more cookies. And then you're going to set them aside and make the middle. So for the middle, many people use isomalt, but I don't have isomalt, so I just smash these minty sweets which work exactly the same. And then after they're smashed, you're going to place some of them in the middle of your cookies. And then you're going to place these in a preheated oven for 10 minutes. After they're out of the oven, you're going to let them completely cool, especially the middle. And then you're going to separate the ones that don't look as nice and the ones that look nicer. And the ones that don't look as nice, you're going to place them on the bottom. So you're going to pipe some royal icing on it, and this will act as a glue between the two biscuits. And then add some sprinkles in the middle. And then you're going to place the top cookie on top. And that's your basic cookie. So now you're going to start decorating your cookie. So for the first design, you're going to pipe a white background. And then you're going to even out the white background, any empty places that you have, just with a toothpick. And then you're going to start piping some pink dots around the cookie, and that's really it. This is a really simple design that I wanted to do as my first cookie, just to get used to piping on cookies. And then you're just going to do the same thing with all your cookies. You're going to add some royal icing on the bottom cookie so it acts as a glue, and place the top cookie on top. And then for the second design, you can add a white background, and then even it out with the toothpick. And then for this design I just want to do something simple again, so I just did some cute little hearts. So pipe the pink royal icing and then just drag it down with the toothpick. And this is how it should look like. This one turned out really cute and adorable. For the next one, I decided that I wanted a pink background, so pipe on a pink background. And then pipe on some white lines, and with these white lines what you're going to do is you're going to feather them. So you're going to drag the toothpick back and forth in opposite directions every time, and it should create a really cute design. The great thing about these biscuits is that you can decorate the small ones as well, and they won't go to waste. So for this little cookie that I'm just feathering it. Also, you don't need to spend a lot of time and effort decorating your cookies. Your cookies can be as simple as just throwing on some sprinkles or anything. So this tutorial and this DIY is great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. This was a great tutorial and it was a great DIY and it was so fun to make. So I hope you guys try it out. So bye guys!